everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 3rd to the 7th of October 2022 on Monday. Pretty asserts her authority, but soon realizes that she may have bitten more than she can chew with Lehasa. Kat and Candice find themselves in a predicament. There is a new flame in town and the Kunutu cousins are smitten on Tuesday. The walls are closing in on a hotshot Johannesburg businessman. Kat's world is thrown into a tailspin when Candice goes Mia, leaving him with a big mess to clean up. The streets of Tef are buzz following a flaming hot new arrival at the Maputla house on Wednesday. Pretty finds herself alone and gutted in a hotel room. Kat is under the kind of fire that only salaries can put out. Some Tef high learners intend on dancing the holiday away. On Thursday, Mangoba thrown an ultimatum at Lehasa that has him and his uncles reeling. Pex is crushed when someone he loves betrays him. Ntswagi encourages Moshebati to take a bite from a forbidden fruit on Friday. After much heated deliberation, Lehasa finally pays Lobola for his murderous lady. Prissy has to make a difficult decision once again, family or love. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.